Hi, I'm Greg with Precision Replacement Parts. Today I'm here with Jeff. We're going to be covering the DWP 111055 GM door seal. The application's in 1955 to 59 second series GM full-size truck. Jeff, would you walk us through some of the modifications we made?
Now I know we already did the installation video for the DWP 111055 GM, but when doing the video we found that there's some discrepancies in the market, namely between the aftermarket door, the black one, and the bottom one, which is the OEM door. And the differences is the hole placement along the bottom are not the same between the two doors. Greg, want to explain how we fixed this?
To highlight the hole location in the bottoms of the doors, we've taken painter's tape along both edges. Now, taking the seal and noting the orientation, we're working with the passenger doors. In this instance, currently, the pins are located in the OEM holes.
And what we did in order to fit the aftermarket door is we went ahead and punched secondary holes into the weather stripping that match up to the aftermarket hole location. All you need to do is remove the clip from one hole and to put it into the other hole, and we're going to show you how to do that. In order to remove the clip, you could use your fingers, but we're going to do needle nose pliers so you can more clearly see what I'm doing. I'm going to grab the clip and then push it one way or the other. That allows you to get one side out and pull the other side out. And you notice it looks like a T. So you're going to reverse the process to put it in the new hole right here. Put one side in and push it. And you're done, and you do that to the rest of the clips and you're ready to go. It's important to note that when you get the seal from us, it's going to be orientated for the OEM hole placement. If you have an aftermarket door, you're going to have to move the clips.
We have a complete replacement video on our YouTube channel. You can subscribe to that YouTube channel for further tech tip videos.